Hi everyone, my name is Carson MUA here on YouTube. I did this look today. Well, I did a pastelier look, a more naturally look, earlier today, and then I did this just now to match my new hair. I have purple on this side and I have blue on this side now, and I swapped it in my eyes. So if you want to know how I did this, keep watching. If you want to know how I did the pastel one, I'll link the video in the description. If you want to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, socials are down below. If you want to come check out my other channel, it is in the description below, and socials for that as well as are in the description. Anything I used in this video are down below, like always. So yeah, if you want to know how I did this, keep watching.
Okay, so hello guys. I'm hoping this is a better way to do it. I have you on top of my iPad and two journals because I've noticed that every time that I've done voiceovers for past videos, when I switch hands, it does a little popping sound, which I'm sorry about that. If you guys hear that and it hurts your ears, very sorry, didn't mean to do that. But once, update actually, me and Dylan will be moving sooner than later now, so when we move, then you will have a permanent flat space and you won't have to hear the popping anymore. That is what I'm hoping for. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good October so far. I know I am-ish. Not in the last couple weeks, because there's been some things happening in our lives lately, but everything else has been good. Now that we're moving forward to bigger and better things, and finally moving towards our life together as a couple. Bless you, Duncan. Duncan just sneezed. And don't mind me dancing in the videos recently. I've been listening to music because every video that I've recorded previous to this, I just was in silence, and I was like, you know what, when I was recording these past videos, I'm not gonna sit in silence, I'm gonna play music, because obviously I'm doing a voiceover, and my audio is not going to be heard, and especially no copyright will happen, because the music would definitely be copyrighted. Bless you again, Morgan. I don't know what he's doing. He's being weird. Because you know, if you know, you know, he's always with me no matter what I'm doing. And I just got home from work. But yeah, so, life update. We applied, now we're waiting to get finalization for a move out date. Because we set one up for the beginning of December after Thanksgiving, and so hopefully that will be ready to go, and we get updates soon about that. And yeah, we've already had like a big old plan of what we're doing and stuff, making sure like everything's gonna work out and just doing all that. So when we move, you probably won't be seeing this background anymore, because this, where I film, is in my bathroom. And when we move, I'll more likely be getting a desk area, and that's probably where I'll be filming. Duncan keeps sneezing. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but he keeps sneezing. Yeah, anyways, I will have a desk area. You'll see that more often. I want to, bless you, Duncan. I want to get a second light to go on my right side, because I just got that light like literally the day before I filmed the past two videos, and I was like, you know what, why not, let's play around with the lights. So I was like, let me match the light to whatever makeup look I'm doing, which is kind of what I'll be doing from now on, Because I always like people that have, you know, color light backgrounds. I always like that. I always think they're cool. And I want to be a part of that. So more likely I'll be getting another light for my right side. So it can be more, you know, yeah, I don't know what the word is right now. I can't think of the word, but you guys know what I'm probably meaning. Sorry if you heard that, that was my ring. But yeah, so also if you didn't watch the last video, the reason why I made these two past videos, this one and the one previous, is because I dyed my hair, and I didn't feel like not doing it because I've been lazy since about February, because February was probably the last time I dyed it, and I was like, you know what, Duncan, what are you doing? He is at our door, because I have the door closed so I can record this, and he's like reaching up the wall near the door. I don't know what my child is doing. He's crazy. But anyways, yeah, I felt impulsive. I wanted to dye my hair, and then when I dyed my hair, I was like, you know what? I have a good idea. I'm going to do makeup videos and match and reverse my makeup for for both makeup videos. I'm sorry, Duncan. I have stars on the back of our door, and Duncan's trying to reach up and get it. He's being antsy. He's bored. But yeah, so that's what gave me the idea to make these two past videos. I said it in the last one, but if you guys didn't watch the last one, that's one reason I know. Duncan, can you not? Duncan, stop, please. He's getting bored and he's getting into stuff. Sorry about that. But yeah, so we're excited. We're gonna get to move, hopefully sooner than later. Like I said, Duncan will finally get more space and be the only mammal in the house, because right now it's him and our family dog Daisy, because we were with my parents. And yeah, so Duncan will be by himself for a little bit, and then he's staring at me right now while I talk about him. And then I want to get him a sibling soon when we move. Hopefully, I don't know. Might be an early Christmas present for all three of us that he gets a sibling. Maybe. Not a human sibling, a fluffy sibling. Because we already plan on doing that sometime. So maybe a fluffy mammal well, I mean humans and yeah, never mind. A fluffy sibling, an animal cat sibling. Yeah, I don't know. I want to get one. Dylan wants to get one too, but we can't get another one until we move. So yeah. But we're excited. We're very excited to move. I recently also have ideas for the rest of the year, which is exciting. Ideas for the rest of the year for video wise is what I'm meaning, for both channels. So if you guys are ready, the rest of November are going to be makeup looks on this channel, and then in HMMs I'm going to do a few cases, but then when we get to December, that is when I'm going to be doing Christmas related things, holiday related things, because on next Monday, this upcoming Monday, because this past Monday for this week I posted my Marie Part 3, which is the end of Marie Antoinette's life. If you guys have watched those videos, you'll see the life and death of Marie Antoinette. And yeah, so I always have parallel makeup looks for that. If you ever come look at both channels, I always have the links in the descriptions for both channels. But yeah, so I just posted that, and then this upcoming Monday on Halloween, which I didn't actually plan this the way, but it lands the way that it's going to be, and it's really cool that I will give you guys a little sneak peek. I'm talking about Ouija boards, actually, and the history behind Ouija boards and what made them such, a fascinating part of, paranormal investigation as of now, and what some people just use them as a toy, So yeah, I'm talking about Ouija boards this Monday for Halloween. I didn't plan it like that. Yeah, Duncan was being my buddy. He wanted to look at lizards, so I had to hold him up during this part. I always have to have Duncan time during making videos. But anyways, yeah, so Ouija boards. If you guys are interested in learning about that and learning about the history and everything, then definitely go watch that video on Halloween. And I got that. I have a couple more. So the month of November is ready to go. I just have to record them and do the fall makeups. And then for December, I am doing a handful of holiday related videos, which is going to be fun. I have to do research for that. And then I also have to do holiday related makeup, which I am excited for. So if you ever want to know how to do some holiday makeup and maybe do it with me and show me yours, definitely do that, because I'd love to see it. Yeah, I always have to have Duncan time during my videos, because like I've told you guys before that he is my buddy when it comes to me filming. He'd rather have me laying or sitting in bed so he can lay down and watch out the window for lizards. Lizards is his favorite thing to do every single day, now that he knows. So he'll go between our room and the bathroom looking for lizards on the windows, and if he sees one, he tries to touch it, at least for the bathroom window wise. He tries to touch them with his little hand. He gets so excited because we think that he's more like, hi friend, hello friend, do you want to be friends? Hello lizard friend, do you want to be friends? Because he literally will befriend anything. Because if you have a Himalayan, you know about how they are, and they like being friends with everything and anything. Even like he has made friends with a moth and a millipede, and then his daily thing is lizards and being like, hi friend, can we play with the lizard? And he'll touch them on the window, and it's so cute when he does it. And he'll tell us all about it, because Himalayans make this weird little trippy sound. And then like sometimes he'll do like a pterodactyl screech and tell me about it. And he'll be in the bathroom, and we'll be in the room, and he'll do his little chirpy sounds calling for us, so we know that there's a lizard on the window. Or he'll even say mama, because he'll be like mama, and it's so weird. I never heard that from any creature until we have him. So yeah, if you never have a Himalayan, it's so much fun. It's crazy, especially one that will say mama to you and call for you and wait for you to respond. But yeah, so that's my daily. It's fun with him. He's a very interesting creature. He makes me laugh. He makes me laugh a lot. He's my best friend. Besides Dylan. Dylan's my other best friend. But Duncan very much is my best friend. But yeah, I'm excited to get him a sibling sometime. I'm excited to do that. I never thought I wanted a cat until now with him. He's made it way better. And yeah, so I gotta show you guys videos of him probably sometime on like Instagram or TikTok, because it's so funny watching him every day. And his crazy little self. His big old chunky little self. He's almost 13 pounds. And he's 1 year old. He's a crazy round little butt.
Alright, and this is how it turned out, like you saw at the beginning of the video, and the process of what it took to do this. I am so happy it turned out this way. I love how it turned out. I love the little bats that I did too, because I was like, you know what, why not do bats? Let's do a moon, let's do bats, let's be a little spooky, because it is October, and might as well. So yeah, so if you guys like this, I hope you hit the thumbs up button. I hope you subscribe as well. I post videos every Wednesday on this channel. And hit the bell notification for when I do, you'll be the first to be notified. So if you want to follow me, like I said in the beginning, on TikTok or Instagram, everything is listed down below. Anything I use or anything I've ever used in any video is always listed down below, and I hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you again. Be safe. I love you guys.